Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Your motivation and appreciation towards my lecture in mathematics increase my potential. Then I made more and more lectures in mathematics. So please subscribe, share and like my lectures and my channel. Today I discuss the Fourier series problem again. Problem is find the Fourier series of fx equal x 0 lesser equal x lesser equal pi 2 pi minus x pi lesser equal x lesser equal 2 pi given deduce that वन अपॉन वन का स्क्वायर प्लस वन अपॉन थ्री स्क्वायर प्लस वन अपॉन फाइव स्क्वायर प्लस अप टू डॉट दिस इज इक्वल टू पाई स्क्वायर बाई 8 हैज बीन कम GBTU 2010 आंसर by Fourier series fx is equal to a0 by 2 summation n equal 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx equation number first, where a0 can be calculated 1 upon pi since time period of this function is equal to 2 pi is equal to 1 upon pi limit 0 to 2 pi fx dx. Limit can be break 1 upon pi limit 0 to pi, then fx is equal to x dx plus limit pi to 2 pi fx is 2 pi minus x dx bracket close by integration x square by 2 limit 0 to pi plus 2 pi x minus x square upon 2 limit pi to 2 pi. This is equal to 1 upon pi square by 2 plus 2 pi minus pi minus 1 upon 2 4 pi square minus pi square. This is equal to 1 upon pi square by 2 plus 2 pi square by 2 pi square minus 3 by 2 pi square. This is equal to pi. Similarly, we can calculate an equal 1 upon pi by breaking of the function limit 0 to pi fx is x into cos nx dx plus pi to 2 pi fx is 2 pi minus x into cos nx dx. Then by integration, by parts integration, x is first term, cos nx is second. Similarly, this is the first, this is the second. This is equal 1 upon pi by parts integration. First term as integration of second sin nx upon n limit 0 to pi on by limit function will be 0 minus differentiation of first, integration of second, whole integration, that is cos nx upon minus n square, limit 0 to pi, plus first term as it 2 pi minus x, integration of second, sin nx upon n by limit pi to 2 pi, first term will be 0, minus differentiation of first, this is equal to minus 1, or cos nx integration, sin nx whole integration, repeat cos nx upon n square, pi to 2 pi, this is equal to 1 upon pi, minus minus plus 1 upon n square, cos n pi minus 1 to the power n, cos 0 1. Now minus minus plus, again minus 1 upon n square, cos 2n pi equal to 1, cos n pi minus 1 to the power n. This both terms are same. Taking negative common, then we get 2 upon pi minus 1 to the power n minus 1 upon n square, value of an. Now bn equal 1 upon pi, limit 0 to pi, fx is sin x into sin nx dx, plus integral limit pi to 2 pi minus x sin nx dx, by parts integration, first term second term, similarly first term second term, by parts integration, first term as it, integration of second, limit 0 to pi, minus differentiation of first, or integration of sin cos, whole integration, again sin, minus n square, on by limit, value will be 0, plus first term as it, integration of second, cos nx upon minus kn, limit pi to 2 pi, minus differentiation of first, integration का whole integration, that is sin nx upon minus n square, limit pi to 2 pi. First, last term will also be 0 on by limits. This is equal 1 upon pi minus 1 upon n, pi minus 1 to the power n. Similarly, plus x is equal to 2 pi, function will be 0, or x is equal to pi, is equal to minus minus plus 1 upon n, minus 1 to the power n. This is equal to n, pi. This is equal to positive, this is equal to negative. Now bn is equal to 0. Now putting the value of a0, an, bn in equation number first. Now fx equal a0 by 2, that is pi by 2, plus summation, that is value of an, 2 upon pi, summation n equal 1 to infinity, minus 1 to the power n minus 1 upon n square cos nx. Since bn is equal to 0, this is equal to pi by 2, 2 upon pi, n is equal to 1, minus के 2 upon 1 का square cos x. n is equal to 2, this is equal to 0, n is equal to 3 minus के 2 cos 3x upon 3 square, n is equal to 4, 0, n is equal to 5 minus 2 cos 5x upon 5 square, n is equal to 6, 0 up to dot. This is equal to fx. Now put x equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, value of fx will be 0 or will be x is equal to pi. X is equal to 0, value will be 0. क्योंकि f0 equal to 0. Now 0 equal pi by 2 minus common 4 upon pi 1 upon 1 square plus 1 upon 3 square plus 1 upon 5 square plus up to dot. This is equal to pi by 2 taking left hand side, then pi square by 8 equal 1 upon 1 square plus 1 upon 3 square plus 1 upon 5 square plus up to dot. This is complete. Next problem. Obtain Fourier series for fx equal 1 plus 2x upon pi 1 minus 2x upon pi, when minus pi less or equal to x less or equal to 0 or x greater equal 0 less or equal to pi. And sketch the graph. And sketch the graph. Also deduce that also deduce that 1 upon 1 square plus 1 upon 2 square plus 1 upon 5 square plus up to dot pi square by 8. Again 1 upon 1 square plus 1 upon 3 square plus 1 upon 5 square plus up to dot pi square by 8 has been come. UPTU 2014 and UKTU 2011. Since in interval minus pi less or equal to x or less or equal to 0. Now then we can see where position of fx is equal to f minus x. This is equal to this 1 minus plus minus 2x upon pi. This is equal to 1 minus 2x upon pi. This is the value of this, that is in interval. This is equal to fx, but in interval x less or equal, taking the fx in this interval and convert into the in this interval after putting x equal to minus x. Similarly, in the next interval 0 less or equal to x or less or equal to pi, f minus x, this is equal to, in this interval value of fx is equal to this. Put x is equal to minus x, minus 2 minus x upon pi, this is equal to 1 plus 2x upon 5. This is the value of this interval. Lie in interval minus pi will also be fx. Now we can say fx is a mean function. Fx is even function. That is, Bn will be 0. Now then we can write by Fourier series fx equal a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx, equation number first. Now we can draw graph of this function. This is the x-axis taking origin. This is the y-axis. It is 1 taking on x-axis plus pi. This is the minus pi. Now we draw. This is the 1. This is the value of minus pi to 0. Value of fx is equal to 1 plus 2x converting to this, and this is converting to this. This is the symmetric graph. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Now we can calculate the value of a0 is equal to 1 upon pi limit 0 to pi. Function will be twice. Since it is a even function, fx dx, this is equal to 2 upon pi 0 to pi. 0 to pi, value of fx 1 minus 2x upon pi dx. Now we can integrate 2 upon pi x minus x square upon pi limit 0 to pi. This is equal to 2 upon pi minus pi. This is equal to 0. Now a0 equal to 0. Now an equal to 2 upon pi limit 0 to pi fx equal to 1 minus 2x upon pi cos nx dx. Now by parts integration, this is the first term, this is the second term. 2 upon pi, first term as it 2x upon pi minus integration of second term sin nx upon n 0 to pi. On by limit, term will be 0 minus differentiation of first term, that is minus k 2 upon pi integration, whole integration, that is cos nx upon minus n square limit 0 to pi. This is equal to minus plus whole minus 4 pi square n square minus 1 to the power n minus 1. This is equal to 4 pi square n square 1 minus 1 to the power n. This is the value of an. Now putting the value of a0 and an in equation number first, then we get fx equal to a0, that is 0. Now an 4 upon pi square summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 minus 1 to the power n upon n square cos nx. This equal to 4 upon pi square, putting value of n equal to 1, this is equal to minus 1 power 1, this is equal to minus plus 2 cos x upon 1 square, n is equal to 2 will be 0, n is equal to 3, 2 cos 3x upon 3 square, n is equal to 4, 0, n is equal to 5, 2 cos 5x upon 5 square plus up to dot, this is equal to fx. Now put x is equal to 0, x equal to 0 in our equation, then f0, now f0 equal to 1 in the both case, x is equal to 0, f0 is equal to 1, or in this case x is equal to 0, f0 equal to 1. That's 1 is equal to 8 upon pi square, cos 0 equal to 1, 1 upon 1 square plus 1 upon 3 square plus 1 upon 5 square plus up to dot, this is equal to pi square by 8 equal 1 upon 1 square plus 1 upon 3 square plus 1 upon 5 square plus up to dot, this is equal to complete solution. Find the Fourier series. Of fx equal minus k minus pi lesser x lesser 0 k when x greater 0 lesser pi. Deduce pi by 4 equal 1 minus 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7 plus up to dot, has been come AKTU 2016. Answer. By Fourier series, fx can be written as equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx, equation number first. Now a0 equal to 1 upon pi, by breaking the limit of integration, minus pi to 0 minus k dx plus 0 to pi k dx, on putting x equal to minus x, dx equal to minus dx, due to in the range of integral in a negative integer. Now convert into positive integer, we put x equal to minus x. Then we get 1 upon pi integral, changing the limit, x is equal to minus pi, this is equal to pi, this is equal to 0, minus k as it, dx minus dx, plus 0 to pi k dx as it, this is equal to minus changing the limit, this is equal to 1 upon pi 0 to pi minus k dx plus 0 to pi k dx, this will be 0. Now an equal 1 upon pi minus pi to 0 minus k cos nx dx plus 0 to pi k cos nx dx will also be 0, as well as above procedure. Now bn equal 1 upon pi integral minus pi to 0 minus k sin nx dx plus 0 to pi k sin nx dx. Now similarly put in first integral x equal to minus x, dx equal to minus dx, So this is equal to 1 upon pi, changing the limit pi to 0 minus k sine minus nx minus dx plus second term as it 0 to pi k sine nx dx. Sine minus theta is equal to minus k sine theta, minus minus plus, minus changing the limit. So this will be limit 0 to pi k sine nx dx or plus 0 to pi k sine nx dx. This is equal to 2k upon pi cos nx minus n limit 0 to pi. This is equal to minus k 2k upon pi n minus 1 to the power n minus 1. This is equal to 2k upon pi n 1 minus 1 to the power n. This is equal to value of bn. Now putting the value of a0, an, bn in equation number first. So from equation number first, fx equal 2k upon pi summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 minus 1 to the power n upon n sine nx dx. 2k upon pi n equal to 1. This is equal to 2 upon 1 sine x. N is equal to 2. This will be 0. N is equal to 3 sine 3x upon 3. N is equal to 4 0 plus n is equal to 5 2 sine 5x upon 5. N is equal to 6 plus n is equal to 7 2 sine 7x upon 7 plus up to dot. This is equal to fx. Put x equal pi by 2. When x is equal to pi by 2, then value of k will be 0, will be k. So k equal to 2k upon pi. So 2, taking 2 common, this will be 4. X equal to pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, that is 1. 3 pi by 2 minus 1 upon 3, 5 pi by 2 plus 1 upon 5, 7 pi by 2 minus 1 upon 7 plus up to dot. This is equal to k by cancel by k. This is equal to pi by 4 equal 1 minus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 7 plus up to dot. This is the complete solution.